How to buy storage on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to buy storage on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So from in here, let me just show you the process of the storage. So in here in my Safari, I have here the prices of this iCloud storage that is from USD on this specific location. So in here you have Canada, Chile, Colombia, all of this right here. You can see all of the prices right here on this page of support.apple.com. So if you want to buy a storage, what you need to do is to head over to your settings, and then from in here just scroll down until you can see general, and then from in here you can also see here the iPhone storage. So you can click on that, and in here you can see the remaining storage that you have. So as you can see right here, I have only a few storage. So what I need to do is to buy a storage. To do that, we need to head over to our Apple ID right here, and then from in there I can see my iCloud. So just click on iCloud right here, and then from in there I can manage your storage by clicking this one right here. And then from in here you can see this change storage plan, so click on it again, and it will open a window wherein you can purchase storage plan for 49 pesos, 149, or 499 for a month. So just upgrade to the storage that you want, then click on this right here, and you should be able to purchase the storage that you want. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to buy storage on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.